Apart from these 5 functions of management, there is one more important function which every manager has to perform, that is coordination. Okay, so coordination means it is a process by which the manager synchronizes the activities of different departments. Understand? So let's go through one example. Aurora Limited is a company which has 4 departments. Okay, the first one purchase, and the second one sales, third one HR, and the fourth one production department. Okay, so these department will be working towards attainment of their departmental goals only. Yes or no? So purchase department will have their own objective, whereas sales will have their own, and HR will have their own, and production will have their own objective. Okay, so as a manager, what we have to do? We have to coordinate or integrate the effort of purchase department, sales department, HR department, production department towards achievement of organizational goal. Yes or no? So we will, as the manager, what he will be doing? He will be integrating the effort of these 4 departments by the help of a deliberate function that is called coordination. Okay, so coordination. With the help of coordination, he integrates the effort of different departments and leads towards organizational goals. So that's what coordination means. The process by which a manager synchronizes. Synchronizes means integrates. Okay, synchronizes the activities of different departments. Okay, so coordination binds all functions of management. That's why it is known as essence of management. Coordination is required till the organization continues its activity. Do you know why coordination is called the essence of management? Because it required in all levels of management, and it is the force which binds all the functions of management. Without coordination, it is impossible to achieve a organizational goal. Okay, if no coordination, what will happen? There will be overlapping or disorder of work or duplication of work. So no. So to avoid overlapping, duplication, disorder, there must be a coordination. That's why coordination is known as the essence of management. Understand? So let's go to our next topic, that is features of coordination. Okay, so the first one, coordination integrates a group effort. As we studied, management is not a single person, it is group of persons. Okay, that means group effort is required to achieve a organizational goal. Okay, so coordination integrate the effort. Okay, effort of different department that will be integrated with a deliberate function called coordination. Okay, so coordination is required to integrate the effort of different department. Okay, so the first one, coordination integrates a group effort. Second one, ensures unity of effort. That means these all effort or the effort of different people are going towards a organizational goal. Okay, that means coordination ensure the effort of different people are integrated and it is going towards a organizational goal. Okay, and the third one is that continuous process. Coordination is a continuous process. As I told you, without coordination it is impossible to achieve organizational goal, because if no coordination, then that may lead to overlapping, disorder or duplication of work. Then what will happen? So what will happen? The organization will not be in a position to achieve an organizational goal. Yes or no? So coordination required till the organization continues its activities. Okay, and the fourth feature is coordination is a responsibility of every manager. Why so? Because the prime aim of every manager is to achieve the organizational goal, or otherwise they execute the plans formulated by the top level management. Yes or no? So as I told you, in companies there will be different departments, so they may give more focus on their department goals than the organizational goal. Okay, so the duty of manager is to integrate the effort of different department and lead towards a common direction to achieve a organization goal. Yes or no? So that is coordination is a responsibility. It is a responsibility of every manager. Without the coordination, manager will not be in a position to achieve a organizational goal. Okay. So that what are the features? The first one, coordination integrates a group effort. Second one, ensures unity of effort. Third one, continuous process. And fourth one, coordination is a responsibility of every manager. Understand? So our next topic is importance of coordination. So the first point, growth in size. Okay. So the level of coordination required for one organization is completely depends upon the size of organization. Understand? So in large scale organization there will be number of employees working in different departments. So these employees will have their own objectives, goals. So no. So there must be an effective coordination to achieve a organizational goal. Okay, so that is the first one, growth in size. Second one, functional differentiation. What is the meaning of functional differentiation? As I told you, in large scale organizations there will be separate departments. That means once they give organization structure to achieve organizational goals, they may divide the work into different departments. Okay, so these departments will have their own objectives. So they may give more priority to departmental goals than the organizational goals. Okay, so coordination is required to integrate the effort of these different departments to achieve a organizational goal. Okay, so that is functional differentiation. Third importance is specialization. As we know, in large scale organization, the core activities are completed by the specialist. So specialists feel that they are the only educated person and they may take a decision their own. That means without consulting with their higher authority. Okay, what will happen in such a situation? If the all specialists takes their own decision, then that may lead to disorder or otherwise confusion. So there must be coordination to integrate their efforts.